Doctors, we are going to engage in an experiment in precognition. Earlier this afternoon, I wrote a prediction on the back of the pad we are going to use. And I also put into the pad a grid with numbers that you all can see. And the numbers go from 1 to 16. And I am going to ask as we go for each of you to select a random number. And when you do, we are then going to circle that number because we will use that number. And then we're going to cross out all the other numbers along that line and down the row. So, how are we going to do this? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Lauren, if she will, to select any color of these markers. What color would you like? I have red, green, purple, and orange.
Green.
Green. Very good. We're going to use green marker. And I'm going to ask you, Lauren, what number would you like me to circle?
15.
15. So we are going to circle 15. So 15 is circled, and we then take out all the numbers across this area and up this line, okay? So now, those numbers have been marked out. And now I'm going to ask Stephanie, what color marker we have left? Orange, purple, and red. What marker would you like?
Purple.
Purple. And I'm going to ask you, which number would you like that's left, that's still left available?
10.
Number 10. We'll circle 10. That means we take out all of these other numbers. So the numbers circled, we have 15 and 10. And now I'm going to ask Serena, we have left 2 markers, an orange and a red. Which one would you like?
Red.
Okay. So Natalie, that leaves orange. I hope that's okay. Now, with the numbers that are left, which number would you like?
5.
5. Circle 5. We will take out all the other numbers. And in fact, Natalie, you have been so kind because it leaves us the orange and it also only leaves us one number, yes? And that's number 4. So that's Natalie's number. Natalie, thank you for being so kind as to let us do that. So the 4 numbers that were picked at random were 10, 15, 5, and 4. And so I'm going to ask, does one of you have a phone with a calculator so that we can be sure our math is correct? Or if one of you is comfortable adding the numbers, or else I can with you and for you, we have 10 and 15 is 25, yes? And then we add 4 is 29, yes? And then to that we add 5, and that gives us 34. Is that correct? So you all selected 4 random numbers from this grid of 16 numbers, and the 4 random numbers added up to the number 34. And I told you earlier today, I wrote a prediction on the back of this pad, In the prediction that I wrote, let us see if foretelling the future is real, because the number that I wrote on the back of the pad was, in fact, the number 34. Thank you all very, very much. Thank you.